Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So welcome back everybody. I have been itching to do this video for the entire week. I just cannot wait to do this video. I am so excited. So in today's video, I will be doing another giveaway. Yay! So since Christmas is fast approaching already, I think we have less than a month before Christmas, so that's why I will be doing another giveaway. I think this is going to be our third giveaway on this channel, and yeah, I am just so excited to announce this to all of you guys. So my initial plan is to do a makeup giveaway. Recently kasi nag-launch yung Vice Cosmetics tsaka si Includes ng collaboration nila ng makeup. So I just got excited when I found out na may collaboration si Miss Anne tsaka yung Vice Cosmetics. So yun talaga yung yung gusto kong ipamigay sa inyo guys. But sadly, when I tried to shop doon sa sa website ni Vice, kasi hindi naman ako pwedeng mag-shop sa Shopee kasi nandito ako sa Japan. So, yun nga, nag-try akong mag-shop sa Vice Cosmetics online, and then guess what? Mas mahal pa yung shipping ko sa binili ko. So, parang sayang din naman ng pera, tapos ipapadala ko dito, and then, for example, yung mananalo is nandiyan sa Pilipinas, so sayang din naman yung pair. So I just decided na to do a different one instead. So by the way, yung giveaway pala natin is open for my subscriber dyan sa Philippines and also here sa Japan. So pasensya na sa mga subscribers ko na sa ibang country. For now muna, ito muna yung yung makaka-join sa ating giveaway. You will know why, bakit yung Philippines lang sa Japan later. So since hindi nga pwede yung clothes tsaka Vice Cosmetics na collection na pang giveaway natin, I just decided to do a different one. Since naman, parang I realized that it's not timely to give away makeup this time, diba? I think you already know na we are facing crisis during this 2020. Ang dami-daming nangyayari during this 2020. So yung firstly, yung coronavirus, tapos hindi pa din tayo tapos sa ating battle against coronavirus. And then recently, yung nangyari sa Luzon, yung typhoon, tsaka yung flood doon. I just cannot, I don't know, it makes me anxious whenever yung nalaman ko yung nangyari sa Luzon recently. Hindi pa nga tayo, yung hindi pa nga naka-move on yung mga tao sa corona, tapos may panibago namang problema. So, oh my God. So, yun nga, I realized na hindi naman natin masyadong kailangan pa yung makeup sa panahon ngayon, no? So, that is why I am giving away SM gift cards. Wow, so low energy. So, sa mga subscribers ko dyan sa Philippines, if yung nabunot is from the Philippines, I will be giving away SM gift cards. And if yung winner naman is from Japan, so you will be receiving Amazon gift cards. So, yun yung mga prizes sa ating giveaway. So, there will be 2 winners in this giveaway. So, sa Philippine setting, or kunyari nanalo sa Philippines, I will be giving one. First is 2,000 pesos, and then yung second prize is 1,000 pesos. So, yung mananalo naman in case from Japan, so I will be giving away 3,000 yen Amazon gift cards. Ayun. So, if you are from the Philippines, we will be having a chance na manalo ng 2,000 peso gift cards and 1,000 peso gift cards. So, dalawa yung mananalo sa ating giveaway. So, for example, nanalo from Japan, or Philippines, from Japan, may isa, tapos from Philippines, or vice versa, di ba? So, basta, yung kunyari, yung unang mabubunot is like, yun yung mabibigyan ng first prize. So, yung first prize dito sa Japan is going to be 3,000 yen gift card. And then, yung second prize naman is 1,500 na gift card ng Amazon. So, I think yun na yun. So now let's talk about the mechanics on how to join the giveaway. Very, very simple lang naman mga friends. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel or be a subscriber to my channel, which is Beauty and Beyond. And also like this video. Yeah, definitely like this video and then share this video sa inyong Instagram tsaka Facebook. So yun. Kaya dapat you need to follow me also on my Instagram and my Facebook page para ma-share niyo ang aking, yung etong giveaway video na ito. And also, what's important also na mechanic, very important as well, is that you need to be active sa aking mga video and participate. At dapat naka-participate kayo lagi sa aking video. What I mean by that is that you need to leave a comment in every video that I will be posting since na-upload itong giveaway video na ito up until sa time na i-announce ko yung winner ng ating giveaway. So, very, very simple naman. I'm gonna do a recap. Subscribe ka sa channel, like this video, share this video, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and of course, the most important also is, importante naman lahat is to be active on every video that I will be posting, meaning to be active. Lagi kayong naka-comment sa aking video para malaman ko naman guys na you are my subscriber, nakasubscribe ka. Hindi lang kayo nakasubscribe but at least yung kasi parang I just wanted to give this giveaway to those people talaga na laging nagsusupport sa akin. So in order for me to know you're one of my supporters talaga is you have to be active sa comment section. Comment in every video that I will be posting simula ng video na ito, ng giveaway video na ito up until sa giveaway announcement. Yun naman, kasimple. That's simple. Yeah, simple lang naman yun, di ba? In case na hindi pa siya masyadong clear yung mechanics na ito, for sure I will be leaving some details sa description box para mabasa niyo naman in case na hindi siya masyadong clear dito sa ating video. So, yeah, I think that's all clear now. I hope. So, I think this is much better compared to like giving away makeup. Kasi at least you will have the opportunity na to buy the things that you really wanted for this Christmas. Yeah, I just realized na mas importante yon instead of makeup. Maybe you wanted something to buy more important than makeup. So I hope that this giveaway will help you kahit in a little way. Yun yung gusto kong mangyari. So, I will be announcing the giveaway winner on December 26, 2020. Yung gusto ko sana before Christmas, but since medyo busy ako, may work kasi ako, so medyo mahirap i-insert yung yung schedule. So pagpasensyahan nyo na guys na medyo late na tayo sa Christmas pag-announce. I hope may New Year pa naman, magagamit nyo pa naman yung gift card sa New Year. So the announcement of the giveaway will be on December 26, 2020. So I think that's all it. I hope sumali kayo. Everybody, please join. Sana marami yung makasali. This time, the last time that I did a giveaway, hindi masyadong marami yung sumali. I don't know why. Maybe ayaw nila nung giveaway ko noon. But hopefully on this giveaway, marami yung makasali. So, join na kayo guys, please. So, I think that's it for today's video. I hope everybody is well. Stay safe always. Hindi pa rin tapos yung battle natin against coronavirus. Yeah, just stay safe. Take care of yourself. And yeah, I think that's it. And thank you so much for watching mga friendships. And Always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.